I'm gonna do a little voiceover here. But pulling the supports off of this thing, the first one was a pain, which I kind of figured the TPU would be like that. It's real flexible, real sticky when it melts. So once you get it started though, it tends to come up pretty easy. I mean, I say that, but still having problems with it. It was a pain, that's all I'm gonna say. I didn't want to print it with supports, but I had no choice. It wouldn't come out. It wouldn't have came out. That TPU is temperamental, but these pieces came out very nice. I forget where I got the model from. It was on Thingiverse, I think. I can't remember. So whoever did this, if you're seeing this, shout out to you. The model was excellent. But once I get it done, you can see the old side on there. Hard plastic ears, old strap. So I mean, that goggle set probably 20 years old. I know it's got to be 20 years old. This is one of my first masks. There's a picture of me somewhere with me wearing it. I think I was around 8. That's right when paintball started coming out, hitting big. And then it also had the screw hole for the top. The other one didn't. Even though it had the tabs, I still put the screw in it. But I printed it, I want to say with 15% infill. It's still flexible, but it's got some rigidity to it. I think 4 layers on the top, 4 layers on the bottom. Can't remember, I should have wrote all that down. I think each one took about 2 hours to print. Here I am putting new goggle strap. Well, it's not a goggle strap. I actually made that one. I sewed it together. Until I get one ordered, I'm going to order an original JT to go along with the mask, because I still got everything for it. And okay, so now I'm putting the horns on. I had a set of horns laying around, figured it'd look alright in there. I just shoved the screw through it, put a little rotor washer to space it up. And just screwed it on. And then the GoPro mount on top there, I want to say I got it off Printables. I've had it probably a year now, so I couldn't tell you where who did the model or where it come from, but I had it laying around. I just never put it on. So I decided to put it on the other day. That's what got me wanting to put the soft ears on it. I just think it looks goofy without the visor on it, with those hard side ears sticking up. But there it is, looks a lot better. Turned out amazing. Couldn't be more happy with it. But appreciate y'all watching. Drop a comment, share. If you got any questions, I'll gladly answer. And we'll catch y'all on the next one.